In South America, on the banks of the River Plate, 500 kilometers to the north of the Uruguayan capital, lie Cofusa and URUFOR. Cofusa and URUFOR are forestry companies dedicated to producing, industrializing and commercializing wood from high-quality Eucalyptus grandis. The plantations are certified under FSC norms. Since 1989, Cofusa has specialized in the plantation and management of Eucalyptus grandis, and URUFOR in the sawn timber that comes from these plantations. They have more than 25,000 hectares of planted trees. Our company has a deep commitment to placing its products in the most demanding international markets. To achieve the highest standards of wood production, work begins in our nursery through a program of forestry improvement, whose objectives are to improve the growth and behavior of the species, strengthen its resistance to disease, and develop genetic diversity so as to bring about a lasting improvement to Eucalyptus grandis. In order to do this, Cofusa uses not only selected seeds, improved over several generations, but also plant reproduction technology, so as to clone trees with better performance. After 6 months, the plants are transported to the plantation for growing. Proper soil preparation, fertilization, and control of insects and weeds are necessary if plantations are to be developed correctly. Later, we use intensive thinning and pruning techniques so as to obtain timber of a large diameter that is free from defects over a 20-year cycle. Since 2001, our company has been certified according to the standards of the Forest Stewardship Council, or FSC. This certification process ensures the proper use of resources, not only soil and water, but also of trees themselves, by applying specific norms that regulate the handling of economic, social, and environmental factors. As a consequence of favorable soil and climate conditions, investment in improving roads, and robust and high-tech equipment, harvesting takes place constantly throughout the year. All forestry activity takes place under strict safety and environmental protection norms. After the trees have been carefully harvested, and after the proper logistical handling and permanent watering of the fresh lumber, it is processed in our modern sawmill. Our new plant has a high production capacity, using state-of-the-art technology. As trunks come in, they are measured with a high-precision scanner so as to determine the optimum cutting program for each. The scanner interacts with an up-to-date software system using a series of predefined cuts in order to decide how each trunk will be sectioned. The applied technology and accuracy of our cutting system results in a product that is of uniform quality, stable, and of a very good size. Planks are bundled according to size and quality and taken to the stockpiling area before the drying process begins. The biomass that is a side product of sawing is taken directly to the joint electricity production plant. Wood chips are loaded automatically onto lorries to be taken to the plant that produces cellulose paste. URUFOR has a considerable number of high-tech drying rooms, which have a centralized system for control and cycle monitoring. Once the slow and painstaking process of drying is completed, all planks are classified under strict quality criteria in accordance with international classification parameters. URUFOR's plant is also certified according to the standards of the FSC's chain of custody regime. Our commercial strategy is to have a permanent local presence in our main markets, establishing a long-term relationship with our clients and offering them a product whose quality remains constant over time, based on sustainable forestry. URUFOR commercializes its products for multiple uses, both indoor and outdoor, and at national and international level. We respect the environment and contribute to social well-being. We obtain high-quality wood from the Eucalyptus grandis. Our export markets keep on expanding to more than 30 countries in all the continents of the world. And we keep on improving, because for our company, striving for excellence is not just the present, it's our future.